friends. We are back.
We're back.
We're back in Caye Caulker. Our first ever trip together as a couple was here in Caye Caulker.
And the first travel video that we ever made was here. It's kind of funny. We'll leave a link in the description.
Yeah.
But lots of cool adventures here.
Yeah. Today we are going to check out the Split. We heard there was a beautiful sunset over there, and have dinner at Cocoa Beach. Maybe.
Yeah.
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 Or a Lazy Lizard. We don't know yet. Either one.
You can go put the feels out and figure
Exactly.
it out.
So stay tuned to our awesome adventure here in Caye Caulker. Let's go.
Let's go. Puppy, little Bruno. Off into the sunset. Yeah, there you go. How's that?
So good and refreshing. We're here in Caye Caulker. It's been 4 years since we've been here. It's actually the first trip Sam and I had together. And it looks so much more different, but it still has that cool go slow vibe. There's no cars, there's only golf carts cruising around, or bikes. But we're happy to be back.
Yeah, we are. Gonna go get some fryjacks. All right.
Going to find the fryjack house. That's the reason why we came back to Belize, though, let's be honest.
Yeah, only the fryjack. Carolyn's House of Fryjacks. We're in heaven. Look at what they stuffing this stuff with.
And those are Belize dollars.
Which is about
Super cheap.
half of an American dollar.
So good.
Not bad. We'll come back.
We are going
we going?
Going fishing and snorkeling.
And what we gonna see?
It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I hope to God, fingers crossed, that we see some manatees.
Yeah, we're going looking for them.
Feel lucky. I'm feeling lucky today.
Hey Tyrell, it's nice to meet you, man. What's your band called?
I'm Terrell Godot, and I have the Man at Work Band.
Awesome.
And this is one of my songs. As I was planning to leave me yard, figure visit some friends abroad. Close up the door and I close my window. The big red hammer just bust my finger. Hold me back, Lord. I nearly dead in me yard. Hold me back, Lord. You should have heard how about figure. Yeah, man.
That's awesome.
We got a lot of new songs coming up. A lot of beautiful songs.
Perfect.
So
We'll
we're
check you
working
out on
the
YouTube.
songs. Yeah, you gotta check it out. The ones you're gonna see on YouTube are the old songs, but we're working on some new ones, like Jump on the Reggae Bus. So there's a whole bunch of new songs coming out and new music videos coming along with them too.
Perfect.
So the band and me and the band, we're gonna work on those songs. You're gonna see them once you keep following them on YouTube. Terrell Godoy, you're gonna see all these new songs coming up, man.
Awesome.
And we're pushing right now in the recording side over in San Pedro Studios over there. We're pushing right now.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, it's awesome to
Man
meet
at
you, my
work.
friend.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks for that.
Nice, man.
See you, man.